Aaron. Thank you so much for being our client. Can you tell us about the story?
Yeah, I'll be glad to tell you, Juan. I signed up with Real Estate IQ earlier this year, and I was real grateful to have the software program. It helped me out do my research before I went to my marketing leads on site to do the appointments. So I can run my comps very easily, do my research, run up the values, and make my offers spot on before I met my potential sellers.
Right.
And the foreclosure listings, the divorce listings, everything to keep me spot on with the markets and where I can find my potential leads. I actually found very good use for those. So very helpful. I'm actually glad that I signed up for the program.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're quite welcome.
I appreciate it. Thank you.